HYLHH 250 SDP Pharmaceutical Stability Test Chamber, dedicated to pharmaceutical companies to examine the stability of the test in order to determine the validity of drugs, in line with the FDA and current pharmacopoeia and relevant requirements of the accelerated, long-term intermediate, and high humidity test. To meet the IV and other special medicines to do the low humidity test requires the conditions of 40 degrees Celsius and 20% relative humidity. 2 field schools, 1 water tank, 1 water pump, 1 drain pipe, 1 stainless steel plate, 3 carriers, 1 CD, a rubber stopper and roll of paper. Connect the main power supply. Open power and control switch for compressor on the left side of the instrument. When you usually use it, you only need to close power on the left side as well as to disconnect the main power supply. No need to close control switch for compressor frequently. With these 2 drain pipes, take off the rubber plug of the front drain pipe. Place the clean water tank and water pump on the right side of the instrument. The water tank is filled with an appropriate amount of pure water. The surface of the water must exceed the water pump. The power cord of the water pump is connected to the first power jack on the right side of the instrument, and the pipe of the water pump passes through the small hole in the lid of the water tank and connects to the water filling port in the middle. This drain pipe, one end of the pipe is connected to the drain port, and one end is connected to the large hole in the lid of the water tank. If the samples need to be connected to electricity during the test, there is a lead hole on the right side of the instrument. Open the external and internal covers, and after connecting the wires, plug the rubber to ensure the sealing of the chamber during the test. After the preparation work, we can see the operation screen. Here is the actual value of the chamber temperature. The following XV represents the set value. We now set to 20 degrees Celsius. Click OK. Then, look at the other side. Here is the actual humidity of the chamber. It's set 60% relative humidity. Click OK. Click on the 4th icon at the bottom right corner. Click on Start. Above 3 buttons, on the right side is also Start or Stop. Middle is the lock screen key. Press it. You can't set the temperature value and humidity value. Then press it again. You can continue to set them. The left side is the bulb key. When we need to use it, we'll turn it on and close it when we don't need it. This is because turning on the light bulb for a long time will generate heat, which will affect the chamber temperature. Now, let's take a look at the status of the open light. From operation screen back to menu, click on back icon. You can see operation screen, function set, and graph. These 3 are commonly used functions. Click on the graph. You can see the data curve. If you want to export data, first of all, prepare a USB. No special requirements for USB. On the left side of the instrument to find the insertion port, insert the USB. Back to the screen, click on the right side of the calendar icon. You can see data's out. The left side indicates time, the right side indicates the data size. Click Table to view the data. PV is the actual value inside the chamber. SV is the value you set. You can also click the next page to view. Click Export to UDEX, Excel. To export the table, it shows 100%, which means it is exported successfully. Again, after it is exported successfully, you can view it on your computer. Click Mode Set. Click third item, Boot Mode. You can see 3 different modes: Stop, Cold, and Hot. Cold represents that if the power is interrupted during operation, the instrument will automatically rerun when power is supplied again. Hot represents that if the power is interrupted during operation, the instrument will automatically resume operation when power is supplied again. If you want to use one of these 2 operation modes, you need to set it at the beginning. If not, just select Stop. Click Print Setting. Print direction indicates the direction of the printed data formed. If you press it by mistake, press it again. The direction will be changed back. Confirm that switch is open. Print interval indicates the interval time of printing. Here it means the data will be printed once every 30 minutes. Click OK. If you want to set other time, these three places are hours, minutes, and seconds respectively.